everyone! Chapter 1! Video, I don't know what that is. Learning target 2. Hey, this is Miss Osier.
And Miss Lahart.
And here we go. Manipulating rational exponents. Woohoo.
It's very exciting.
Okay, remember this, people. Live by it, love it.
We're going to say it a lot.
Power over root.
Power over root.
Power over root. Look at us go. Look at us go. Power over root.
When you have a fractional exponent, that's what it stands for. The numerator is the power. The denominator is the root.
So if we were to rewrite these as roots, we would rewrite it as the second root, which we don't really need that. We're just showing it to you to be annoying at this point. And then the 1 would be the power.
Yep. So that's 9.
Oh, look. It actually simplifies.
That means the cube root of 125 raised to the first power.
And the cube root of 125 is in fact 5. So you can actually evaluate these. Oh, there's a negative.
Put it over 1. 1 over.
Woo.
Okay.
Woo, we're okay. Okay, so just all that means is 1 over the square root of 9. And what's the square root of 9? 3.
Yep.
Look at us go.
That's all we're doing. Oh, another negative, you see, fraction. Ooh, what number times itself 2 times? 2 times. I just said
5 times.
Shoot.
Whenever there's a big number like that, you want to think like 2 or 3. So 1/2, there we go. All right, now we got different numbers now. We can handle this, people. So remember, it's power over root. So this means it's 16 to the 3rd power with the 4th root.
Well, there's 2 ways. Technically, you can do it 2 different ways.
Yes.
It's easier to do the root first because you'll get
first.
smaller. You'll go smaller first, and then you'll raise it bigger.
Yep.
So what number times itself? 4 times is 16. That's 2. 2 cubed is 8. You can go the other way, but do you know what 16 cubed is off the top of your head?
Sure don't. Oh, sorry, I thought that was over there.
Yep.
No,
I thought I
16
did too.
cubed, and then we have to find the 4th root of that ridiculously large number. No, thank you. So even though we usually do numerator and all that stuff, do the root first. It's easier.
Makes it smaller.
So it's the square root of 25, or the second root of 25.
That's 5.
5 to the 3rd.
125.
Look at us go. Flip it. So 1 over, and then it's the cubed root of 8 to squared. The cubed root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So this is 1/4. Power over root.
Power over root.
Hey.
So now you got to go back and forth. Can you go back and forth from exponential to radical form? So this is in radical.
I think I can. So I know that this is an imaginary 2 because the square root, the 2 is implied. And everything under here is being raised to the 1 because I don't see any other exponents. Now what I have to be careful of is I need to put this entire thing in parentheses because this entire thing is underneath the radical. So that means the whole entire thing is being raised to the 1/2.
Nice.
Thanks.
Ooh, a fraction. So when I see this fraction, I just know it's going to be a negative exponent.
Yep.
So what is the quantity? 5x. What is the power? 5. What's the root? 3. So I'm going to raise this to the negative 5/3.
Negative takes care of the fraction. 5 power, 3 root. We're summarizing for one another. Okay.
Now we simplify.
We can do this. 1/2 power over root, square root. Okay. Or, so you can do it one of 2 ways. You can do the exponent properties we were talking about in the last video, or you can just put this whole thing in a square root first. Same concept. Okay. So we know that 2 times 1/2 is 1. You also, if you had done the square root of n squared, that's also n.
Yep.
So either way it works. And then you have square root of 64, which is 8. So you have 8n to the first. The 1 is not necessary. Next one.
I'm going to distribute again because that looks like the flow that I do. And then first I tackle the number. So I know the square root of 81 is 9. 9 cubed is 729. And then 4 times 3/2, you'd end up getting 12 over 2, which is 6.
Boom.
That's it.
That's it, everybody. Power over root. Have a great day. We'll see you in
Power
class.
over root. Power over root. Power